Hi, it's Linz from Sweet Natured, and this is our massive sweet tour on board Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, as I'm joined by Marky.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you speechless? Having just walked in?
Yeah, I am, so let's see what we can see. Okay, so we've got a huge lounge area.
It's massive.
It's absolutely massive.
I mean, to be fair, it's got massive suite.
Exactly. Then we've got the music room.
Which has got some of the stuff outside in it at the moment.
Is that a Les Paul Fender?
You've definitely got a Fender.
Wow.
It says on the neck, which is the only reason I know.
Oh no, I've actually seen one before.
Yeah, you've got the stuff outside in here as well,
Yes.
which I'm guessing would normally be in.
We've got
What have we got behind here, Pet?
some shelves and books and ornaments and things just to keep yourself entertained. Urban astronomy, so you can use your telescope and then look at the sky so you know what you're looking at. We've got, wow. I just keep seeing.
You've got a similar bar setup to what we're seeing on the other ones.
Yeah.
Big TV again, all the bits and pieces.
The record player. The Sex Pistols are getting about a bit. I know that was there.
It's almost like that was a big album for Virgin.
And you've got one to go. You've got 4 hours.
Ooh, fancy.
Amazing. Oh my. Again, I mean, you're looking. Oh, look what you can.
You're just getting distracted. You're like a little magpie at the
I am
moment.
shiny,
Keep seeing shiny things.
Another massive TV.
It's got a little settee in here.
Yeah. Now I feel that would end up having my.
It'd just be your clothes stuff put on it. I think it would. Yeah, TV which you can sort of twizzle as you need to do.
Should we do the bathroom?
Yeah, because I'm desperate to get outside, but.
What? Oh, it's.
Does it go round?
Oh my god. Oh my. Look at this. Oh wow.
Are these your wardrobes?
Obvious wardrobes. If you've ever seen a Posh Suite doll.
Yeah, these didn't take as much finding. Proper vanity unit.
Oh my. Look at the little poof we've got. Oh wow.
More wardrobes at the side.
I mean, wow.
So we've got another shower here.
Yeah, they're very much themed, these ones. You still know you're on Virgin Valiant Lady from the decor, you know.
Yeah, they're definitely. We've
Then
just
we've
got
got the loo.
just standard bathroom.
Just a little loo.
Yeah, no big deal.
No bidet. No bidet. I mean, look at this bath. Wow.
They're making up for it with that.
I don't know. And then
What about the other side?
we've been in there. That was the
Have we done all
bedroom.
of it? Okay.
Yeah, it banks round.
Oh yeah, of course it does.
It's that big. And then. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
So I've got a fantastic
You have to
jacuzzi.
be.
Look at that. Oh, needs water in the wash. Now, the outdoor shower.
You can see upstairs.
Yeah.
There's people. I mean, they can't see over. I guess they could stand and see over. Random steps. Do you want to walk on the random steps? You missed the random steps. You're going to the second random steps.
Random steps.
I mean, this is where they've got the big hammocks because they're inside.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
They've just not put them out
And that's
for this particular sailing. Well, we've got other bits over this side.
Goodness, what's over here?
I don't know.
Another door.
Let's go in through that door then.
What? He's lost.
try the other door.
We're not staying here, we're just visiting. Wow. I mean, you just wouldn't leave.
I mean, this is a big old balcony by any standards.
Oh, wow. So, that's
But,
a massive suite.
let's just take it back through to the entrance. If you can get him.
So,
And that really is a special suite. Well, what's in that door there?
it looks locked.
Do you want to try it?
Is it another loo? It's another loo. Another little loo.
Because you're the ones you made en suite.
Yes. So, that's a massive suite on board Valiant Lady. Thank you for watching. And cheers, Maggie.
Cheers, Linz.
And have a lovely day.